the easiest comfort bowl you'll make this week. Start by blanching your beef rolls. 2 minutes, that's it. Clean broth, cleaner flavor. Mix your umami bomb: garlic, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, and sugar. In a hot cast iron pot, red onions and carrots until they soften. Add a splash of broth or water, then vermicelli, Enoki mushrooms, and your beef. Pour in the sauce. Look at that! Cover and let it simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. The noodles drink everything. Yes, this is what we want. So tender, so flavorful, so easy.